Borneo Rainforest Lodge Premium Villa 3. Built in 2014, this is one of 3 villas at Borneo Rainforest Lodge. This is an N unit, so you have plenty of privacy. It's along the banks of the river, as you can see here. This is a 2-story one. There's 2 regular premium villas. There's one right beyond this one. They said this is Premium Villa 3. And let's take a look. Very modern, as you can see here. It's a 2-story single unit. So let's look upstairs first. This is the living room. Comfy couch. Minibar, and an outside deck with views of the river and the jungle beyond. Outside you'll also see a private area for dinner or just lounging around, whatever you want to do along the river. The premium villas, unlike the other rooms, the big advantage is it has air conditioning, which gets down to 16 degrees Celsius. Keeps it nice and cool, although most of the time the fan should suffice. But for those moments when you need it, it's good to have it. So then we come downstairs. As we come down, this is the bedroom. Desk, coffee makers, binoculars, flashlights. To the left you see the infinity pool. Over here is another deck. Get there in a second. But over here is the bathroom. There's a little closet area. Wash basin. Here is a toilet. And then over here is a bathtub. And the shower itself is outside. As you can see, the shower head out there. So we'll just take a quick look outside. Again, here's the infinity pool. Nice way to take a plunge after a hot, muggy day. in the Borneo Rainforest in Danum Valley Conservation Area in Sabah. So there you have it. The Premium Villa 3 two-story villa at Borneo Rainforest Lodge at the Danum Valley Conservation Area in Sabah, Malaysia. Hope you enjoyed it. Borneo Rainforest Lodge in Sabah, Malaysia, in the Danum Valley Conservation Area. The view of the river outside our villa. Virgin primary rainforest. Unmolested, and it's also one of the oldest rainforests in the world. And this is our room right here, facing the river.